Begin by selecting the DS Smart app from the home screen. Then log in using your EMR credentials. The app will bring up a list of residents assigned to you as the caregiver by the EMR. Search or scroll and select the resident whose weight you are measuring, Kelsey Allison. Only DS Smart-enabled devices will be listed. Select the serial number of the device you want to connect to. First, zero out the scale, then measure the resident's weight. Next, pull it into the app by touching the Get Weight button. If the resident is in a wheelchair, manually enter the weight of the wheelchair, including any accessories, such as leg rests, cushions, or orthoses. The app will automatically subtract the weight of the wheelchair, leaving you with the resident's net weight. Once the resident has been accurately weighed, touch Send to Chart. When you see the green check marks, the weight has been saved in the EMR with a time and date stamp. If you receive a warning from the EMR, it indicates that the current weight is significantly more or less than a prior weight for that resident. A previous weight of the resident will be listed. Consider reweighing the resident for improved accuracy. Otherwise, touch OK to clear the warning. Touch the back button in the upper left corner to go back to the resident's screen. Once you're done, touch it again to log out.